SS for resource.
Yes.
And they are like.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on the CNTV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Now, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, is sworn in as the President of Ghana. Boss, Akwaba, His Excellency, I salute, sir. Welcome. Now, I have a message for you. Thankfully, the government of Nana Akufo-Addo has been able to pay WAEC, and WAEC has released the results. Most of the people who wrote WASI because now of the free education, once they write WASI now, the small money that is that they used to apply for university. Now, universities, so most of them, they are out with the list of people they are going to admit. And we know, say, some of them will start the admission next week, some 2 weeks from now. But most of the admissions, they're by this January. Your Excellency, you promised us, Ghanaians, say, Nana Akufo-Addo's free senior high school no, is not enough. There be. Osi skawo hopa. That the money that is there, no. In fact, you can even use some to pay for the school fees of university students who are entry level 100. And not even university, it's even tertiary students. So, we are called nursing training, teacher training, university, which other ones, all tertiary institutions. Say, you will pay for their first year. Yeah, small. We did not force you. Obian for so say oko manifesto no for shame.
SS for resource.
Yes.
And they are like said by next week, university will now come.
Yes.
Look, anything short of free for first years. One child this president on survival within the next 6 months.
In terms of governance.
Governance, Miss on survival. Because you see, there are certain things I may remind you say. When you fail on this initial year, I promise you, nobody will believe you. And I'm sure, and Kolano, or people just say, now, one train here, or be mess up until the last day, or not be hand over enough for because unfortunately, so, on my view, and only as someone, and Siciano, me dinya kupwasi, say, first year for having our mobile.
Yes.
So we expect, say, first year fees should be free immediately. Look.
You said it is part of the youth manifesto. Thanks be to God, say, handing over came before resuming of universities, most universities, in fact, especially for the freshers. Now, Your Excellency, NSA, no, first meeting now you are holding is about Dumso. I hope, say, after holding the Dumso meeting, no, the next on the agenda will be the 180 million Ghana cedis you claim, say you can take from the budget of the office of the president by reducing the number of people who are appointed to the office of the president. No, we have not forgotten. No, you said that is where you will get the money from. That the money is there, but Akufo-Addo is using it to pay salaries. Now Akufo-Addo is gone to retirement too. Today he will sleep 24 hours. And say, Your Excellency, how far? My nephew is going to the university. Say, I don't have to worry, Abi. I don't have to worry. Or our friends who are going to the nursing training, they don't have to worry. Is that not so? We need clarification right now. Like, we need you to come and say something about this very one. Because you cannot hijack the whole nation, or you cannot just keep us in suspense. What you say? Over 1 month since you've been elected, you came to you formed committee, say Ora, they are going to hunt for money and go, and you have kept quiet on the university, free university that you promised. After we playing games with us, and 419 we don't want any 419. We don't want it. This is going to be one of the biggest tests of your government. Whether or not the things you have promised this nation, you will be able to fulfill them depends on what you do this January, especially People are going to school. We are waiting for a directive from the office of the president. No honeymoon. No honeymoon. Some people's admission fees are around 5,000. Some theirs is around 10,000. Confirm medicine, some of them, their admission fees are around 12,000. There are even courses on admission fee of 15,000. Are undergraduates. And they are waiting for you to come and say, government has absorbed all the fees of level 100s in tertiary. They will clap for you.
SS4 results.
Yes.
And they are like by next week, university now come.
Yes.
Look, anything short of free for first years. One child this president on survival within the next 6 months.
In terms of governance.
Governance, Miss on survival. Because you see, there are certain things I may remind you say. When you fail on this initial year I promise you, nobody will believe you. And I'm sure and Kolano or people just say, now me one train here or be mess up until the last day or not be hand you over enough for because unfortunately so on my view. And only as someone and Sisiano made Dinya Kupas say first year for half an hour.
Yes.
So we expect say first year fees should be free immediately. Look.
But if you don't do that, if it doesn't happen, and your His Excellency, we will have a really tough time. Because we voted for you based on promises. And we are expecting that each and every one of those promises are fulfilled. Yes. Even if you cannot fulfill all that, there are some of them there. Akufo-Addo came to power. That he was coming to do free senior high school. When he came, he said there was no money. Akufo-Addo said there was no money. Yet still, in his first year, 2017, September, now free senior high school had started. Now the children that had written BEC knew, say, they were going to go to school for free. They knew. That is how you do it in this town. That is how you do it in this nation. When you give us a promise, your first year, it must start, especially when it comes to free things. So congratulations, Your Excellency, once again. We look forward to hearing from you in the next 24 hours about the fate of Ghanaians who have gotten admission to the various public tertiary institutions. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. I know you will come out and you will speak. This has been the episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are loaded, you will be notified. Until then, bye-bye. See you in the next one.